Okay, let's talk about that journey from a simple idea to a real working app. We're going to dive into this incredible revolution that's making it possible for pretty much anyone to build their own software, no matter who they are.
So, you've got that brilliant app idea, right? I bet you do. We all have that aha moment, that little spark for an app that could solve a huge problem or build a cool community, or maybe just be something really fun.
And then, bam, reality hits. You run smack into this massive wall, and it's built out of all these programming languages you've never seen before. And you just feel stuck. Your brilliant idea is right there, but it feels completely out of reach, locked behind this barrier.
Let's just call it what it is, the Great Coding Wall. For decades, this wall has been the one thing that stopped so many creative people and entrepreneurs from actually building the things they dream up.
So what is this wall actually made of? Well, first, you've got traditional development, which needs some seriously complex programming skills. We're talking about development timelines that stretch for months, sometimes even years. And the cost? Oh man, it can easily run into thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. It basically creates this huge barrier to entry. It's kind of like an exclusive club, and not many people have the keys to get in.
But what if you could just walk right around that wall? This is where the story gets really good. Welcome to the no-code breakthrough. This is a total game changer in how we think about creating things.
So what is no-code exactly? Well, to put it simply, it's a way to build apps using visual interfaces. So instead of typing out endless lines of complicated code, you're dragging, dropping, and clicking on things to tell your app what to do. And believe me, this changes everything.
This is probably the best way to think about it. Imagine this. Traditional coding is like trying to make a plastic brick from scratch, starting with raw oil. It's incredibly difficult. No code? That's like someone handing you a giant box of Legos. You've already got all the pieces you need, you just have to click them together to build whatever you can imagine. And when you put them side by side, the difference is just wow. The old way with code, slow, complex, super expensive, and really exclusive. But the new way with no code, it's fast, it's intuitive, it's cost-effective, and it's truly accessible to everyone. The contrast is just night and day. It's not just a small step up, it's a completely different way of doing things.
Okay, so we've basically knocked down that wall. Now, let's walk down this new path together. This next part is all about how you can take that idea that's been rattling around in your head and actually finally bring it to life.
So here's how it generally works. First, you get to design everything visually. Picture a digital canvas where you're literally dragging and dropping buttons, pictures, and text boxes to build your app screen. Then, second, you connect the logic. You build these simple workflows, almost like visual flowcharts, that say, hey, when a user clicks this button, show them this screen. All of that, without a single line of code. And finally, number 3, you launch it to the world, and a lot of the time, it's literally with a single click. The whole complicated process just becomes simple.
In that journey, from that first drag and drop to hitting launch, it creates this incredible personal transformation. You go from being that person who's always saying, man, I wish I could build an app, to being the person who says, hey, check out this app I built. You're not just a dreamer anymore, you're an empowered creator.
But this is so much bigger than just one person building one app. This is about unlocking human potential on a massive scale. Let's zoom out and look at the huge impact this whole tech revolution is having. I mean, this chart really says it all. Just look at that difference in time to market. Traditional development can take months, sometimes even years, just to get a basic version of an app out there. With no code, people are launching their ideas in just days or weeks. That kind of speed means you can test ideas, get feedback from real users, and pivot way faster than ever before. So what does all this power actually do for us? Well, it unlocks totally new opportunities for creators who were just shut out before. It helps entrepreneurs get their ideas out into the world super fast, before someone else does. It saves a ton of time and money. But, and this is the most important part, it democratizes technology. It puts the power to build in everyone's hands. And this quote right here, this gets to the very heart of the entire movement. This isn't just about making things more convenient, it's about equality. Because when you lower the barrier to create, you don't just get more apps, you get more diverse ideas from more diverse people from all walks of life. It's about giving everyone a fair shot at building the future.
Which, of course, brings us right back to you. The wall is gone. The tools are right here, ready for you. The path is clear. So really, the only question left to ask is this. With this power now in your hands, what will you build?